velocity or displacement or velocity? Displacement and velocity. Then see, second one. One more equation, see, even if the displacement of an object is 0, the actual distance traversed by it is dash. Even the displacement of an object is 0. Who is that fellow? The actual distance transferred by dash. Don't tell any other's name. I know it. You just pay the attention. See that question, displacement of an object is 0 and the actual distance covered by it is dash. If displacement 0, what will be the actual distance? It will maybe 0, may not be 0, constant or infinity. 0 may not be 0, constant or infinity. Wrong. Wrong. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Answer is may not be 0. Answer will be may not be 0. Infinity also wrong. Second, see, the displacement that occurs in unit time is called dash. Displacement that occurs in unit time is called dash. No options. It is definition. Yes. Speed answer is wrong. Check your answer. Speed answer is wrong. Correct one. Velocity. Answer.
Yes.
Velocity. Answer is velocity. Very good. If the velocity changes in equal amount in equal time, the object is said to be dash. Velocity changes by equal amount in an equal time interval. The object is said to be dash. Uniform acceleration, uniform velocity, non-uniform acceleration, non-uniform motion. Uniform. What uniform? Acceleration. Uniform acceleration. Very good. Second, see, the unit of velocity in SI system is dash. No options, sir. Unit of velocity in SI system is dash. Come on fast. Search your answer in the book and tell me unit of velocity in the SI system. Just see within 1 minute. Come on, you got the answer. Unit of velocity. Yes. See, I'll give the options, then you tell the okay. Centimeter per second, meter per second square, centimeter per second square, or meter per second.
Meter per second.
Centimeter wrong. Meter per second is correct. Meter per second is correct. Now see, dash is the relation between displacement and time. Dash is the relation between displacement and time.
Correlation.
Wrong. Equation. I want equation. V square. V square. Like that equation. I want that equation. Come on. I will give the. You see the just question the
square
first.
is equal to
Yes. V square is equal to.
V square is equal to U square.
No, 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 no. Displacement and time. Displacement symbol, yes. Your equation must be start with yes.
Sir,
Huh.
sir, S is equal to
Yes.
UT
Yes.
plus
Huh. 1/2. Huh.
80 square.
Very good. This is the correct equation. S is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square. At square. Now dash is an example of positive acceleration. Dash is an example of positive acceleration. I'll read that example. See, a stone is thrown vertically upward. A stone falling freely toward the earth. Brakes are applied by the truck driver or the train arriving at the station. Or the train arriving on the station. Come on. Can I read that options once more? See one by one.
Yes, sir.
A stone is thrown vertically upward. Second one, a stone falls freely towards the earth. Brakes are applied by the truck driver or the train arriving at the station.
Stone falling freely.
Stone falling freely towards the earth. Stone falling freely towards the earth is example of an positive acceleration. Second, say, an object continues to remain at the rest or in an state of uniform motion along a straight line unless and dash acts on it. See, I'll read once more. An object continues to remain at the rest or in state of uniform motion along the straight line unless and dash acts on it. Dash acts on it. Answer is options are C. Internal unbalanced force, external unbalanced force, internal balanced force or external balanced force.
Internal balance force.
Internal balanced force, wrong answer. External what? Balance or no. External unbalance. External unbalanced force. Tick mark your answer there. Rasam, he is coming too late. Rasam, wait 1 minute. Second, see, the dash is proportional to the applied force and it occurs in the direction of the force. I read once more, see, the dash is proportional to the applied force and it occurs in the direction of the force. Options are change of momentum, second rate of change of velocity or rate of change of momentum.
Change of momentum.
Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Ashkan, your answer is correct. Answer is rate of change of momentum. Answer is rate of change of momentum. Second C, the force necessary to cause an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. The force necessary to cause an acceleration of 1 meter per second square in an object of mass 1 kilogram is called dash. Is called dash. Come on fast. Yes, you get the answer. See, I will read once more. Askand. Yes, correct answer. Askand, your answer is correct. Varun Naik, very good. Askand. Varun Naik, 21. One minute, I will add him. Varun Naik, 21. Varun Naik. Okay, see, the answer is 1 Newton. Answer is 1 Newton. Very good. Second, see, for the, now we are turning towards other questions. Dash is a relative concept. Dash is a relative concept. No options. Huh? Come on fast. Dash is a relative concept. Oh, your books are in your front of you. Wrong. Newton's second law is about relative concept. It's about the, go in that, but find out for what. Newton's laws are for what? Newton's laws are related to what? Yes. Now you have to, very easy to give the answer. Correct. Askand, your answer is correct. Answer is motion. Answer is motion. Second, see now, a body is said to be in motion if it changes its dash with respect to its surrounding. A body is said to be in motion if it changes its dash with respect to its surrounding. Yes, with respect to its surrounding. Askan, try once more. Answer is position. Answer is position. Second, see, a body is said to be at dash if it does not change its position with respect to its surrounding. A body is said to be dash. A body is said to be dash if it does not change its position with respect to its surrounding. Askan, your answer is correct. Remaining member, try to find out the answer. Remaining member, try to find out the answer. Come on. Answer, the Askan is given correct answer. Answer is rest. Answer is rest. If the body is said to be at rest if it does not change its position with respect to its surrounding. Second, see now. The distance covered by body in unit time is called dash. The distance covered by body in unit time. Very good. Very good. Speed. Answer will be speed. Mahesh Jagtap, you are not on screen. Very good. Dash is the length of the actual path traveled by an object in motion while going from one point to another. One point to another. No, wait. Correct. Your answer is correct. बोल दे. Second, see, distance traveled in a particular direction by object in unit time. I think you have been finished. Yes, correct. Velocity. Second, see, negative acceleration is also called as dash. Negative acceleration is also called as dash. हॅलो बोला की हो. होय होय. बरं आपण जाऊया मग. फोन करून विचारा आणि मग किती वाजता जायचं आपण ठरवूया. मग जाऊया दोघं. मग ते 12 नंतर जायचं जेवण करून. चालतंय चालतंय. माझा त्या लागोपाठ 2 आहेत. नंतर तुमचं तुम्ही तर चालू नाही आपण फोन करा की. चालतंय. मग आपण मग जाऊ मग आपण. ओके ओके.
Sir, discernation.
Hello. You got the answer? Huh?
Discernation.
Deceleration. Deceleration. Answer is deceleration, not acceleration.
Discernation.
Acceleration and deceleration is a different concept. It is deceleration. Okay. Second, see now. See the second one. Same related to the same one. When velocity of an object dash, its acceleration is negative. When velocity of an object is dash, its acceleration is negative. I am asking about fill in the blanks, not true or false. Asking your answer is correct. Asking your answer is correct.
So question.
See, I'll read once more. Wait. When velocity of an object dash, its acceleration is negative. Increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Very good. Answer is decrease. Answer is decrease.
Decrease.
Yes.
सर दुर्गेशने इनक्रीज म्हटले.
I have given only 2 options. No, that's how he tried. First increase, then decrease. Yes, no? Yes. Wait. If an object covers, no. If an object covers equal distance in equal time interval, is said to be moving with dash speed. Is said to be moving with dash speed. No, I don't want in the, we don't want in the figure. Yes, we don't want in the figure. I don't want answer in figure. See that answer, your sentence. Equal distance, equal time interval. Uniform motion. Yes, uniform. Answer is uniform. It's said to be moving with uniform speed. Uniform speed. Second, see, when an object moves in circular path with uniform speed, its motion is dash motion. Amay Kodakar, come on screen.
Circular motion.
Trace on it. Uniform circular motion, not only circular motion. Your answer must be uniform circular motion.
Circular motion.
Remaining boys, your videos are off. Sit properly. The second, say, for all uniform acceleration motion, the velocity time graph is dash. For all uniformly accelerated motion, the velocity time graph is dash. See that graph given in the book and tell me the name only fast. See the graph, velocity time graph, uniform accelerated motion. Tell the name. Come on. Answer will be straight line graph. Answer will be straight line graph. Second, see now. Newton's first law explains the phenomena of dash. Newton's first law explains the phenomena of dash. Come on fast. Correct. Ashkan, your answer is correct. Answer is inertia. Answer is inertia. Second, see, dash causes a change in the state of an object at the rest or in uniform motion. Dash causes a change in the state of an object at the rest or in uniform motion. Come on fast. Come on. External unbalanced force. External unbalanced force. 24. Yes, unbalanced force. Answer is unbalanced force. Answer is unbalanced force. Second, see, dash is product of mass and velocity of an object. Dash is the product of mass and velocity, correct, momentum. Momentum. Answer is momentum. Second one, see, the rate of change of momentum is proportional to the applied dash. Rate of change of momentum is proportional to the applied dash.
Force.
Which one? Unbalanced force. Unbalanced force. Unbalanced force. Remedies. What is the remedios is from which standard? Why is entering here in 8th standard? Why entering here in 9th standard? I don't know. Okay. We'll go towards now common question for true and false. Tell me the first one. Come for the second type of question, true and false. I will read the first one. Displacement is scalar quantity. Displacement is scalar quantity. True or false? Keep your book. Very good, Ashkan. False. Answer is false. Very good. Answer is false. Second, see, the velocity of a body is given by the distance covered by unit time in given direction.
Momentum is scalar.
What I am saying, see, the velocity of body is given by the distance covered by it in unit time in a given direction. Yes, answer is true.
True.
Yes, correct. Answer is true. Now who are entering? Atharv Yadav. Is it time to enter? At the last?
Sir,
Huh?
last the money aaya.
Okay. Very good. See that second one now? Work is vector quantity. Work is vector quantity.
False.
Work is vector quantity.
False.
False.
Very good. Answer is false. Answer is
False.
false. Second,